Hi, I'm Laura Allen, Chief Curator and Curator of Japanese Art. Here's my artifact on the painting Nachi Waterfall by Nagasawa Rosetsu.
This remarkable 18th century painting will soon be on view on the museum's second floor. The artist worked mostly in Kyoto, but this painting transports us roughly 95 miles due south to Nachi in Wakayama Prefecture. The waterfall is a steep, almost 400-foot drop. For many centuries, this spectacular place has been considered a sacred site, and it was an important destination for travelers and pilgrims. Rosetsu's dilapidated hut at the lower left is a shorthand reminder of those many early visitors. Below it, there's a massive hillside whose steep slope makes us aware of the arduous climb to get there. Next to the hut, there's a traveler with a stout pole. He's facing away from us, gazing out over the mist-filled space. The painting's pillar-like format encourages us to join him, craning our necks up to take in the view. Looking past the soft foliage of a nearby tree, we see more mist and a few rocks on the opposite side. The air is cool. Notice that the silk painting ground is left in reserve. Its uninked, reflective surface catches the light and softly shimmers like water. Farther up, the cascade divides into rivulets as it hits the rocks. In some areas, Rosetsu's dry brush left a trail of split strokes, mimicking the effect of water hitting stone, then dissolving into mist. At the top, a blue pool hangs suspended at the lip of the waterfall, right before the plunge. Rosetsu spent some time near Nachi in 1787, so it's possible that he got to gaze up at this site himself. Yet his image of Nachi isn't exactly reportage. Among other things, he may be alluding to the tradition of picturing the Tang Dynasty poet Li Bai in scenes based on his famous poem, Gazing at a Waterfall on Mount Lu. Solitary contemplation of nature was a theme with deep roots in East Asian art. At the same time, Rosetsu's world was one in which leisure travel and sightseeing were on the rise, and his painting comes just a few decades before Hokusai's hugely popular prints of ordinary people admiring Mount Fuji and other natural wonders. Today, we're still seeking out spectacular places, and our phones have made it easy to capture and share those encounters. And artists today, like the members of the collective Team Lab, are increasingly moving beyond photography or painting to create digitally generated immersive experiences of the natural world. Rosetsu's efforts to make a painted landscape come to life before our eyes anticipated these modern, high-tech creations. In this and many other ways, he was ahead of his time. So be sure not to miss the new painting rotation featuring Rosetsu's Nachi Waterfall, and please come back again to see the Team Lab exhibition later this year. Thank you for watching this artifact from the Asian Art Museum.